Imagine having a crystal ball for your finances. Meet SPENDulator. It's a 100% free web application that helps you forecast your account balances, manage recurring deposits, and track expenses effortlessly. Access it anytime on your mobile or desktop by visiting SPENDulator.com. But wait, there's more! The first 1,000 premium subscribers receive up to an 80% discount on their initial subscription, while the free version offers robust features without any time limits. Upgrading to premium unlocks advanced tools and removes limitations, giving you full control over your financial future. Need a walkthrough? Check out the detailed tutorial on my YouTube channel to see how SPENDulator can transform your budgeting experience. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Visit SPENDulator.com today and take charge of your finances. Terms and conditions apply.